Hey, 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 what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. Yeah guys, so in today's video I am going to do a review of these beautiful spring twists that I got from this company that asked me to do a review for them. And as you guys can see, I'm rocking my spring twist, but it's actually my first time wearing a spring twist also, so that's why it's not gonna like, oh, I'm sorry guys, because my earrings keep getting tangled in my hair. If you guys wanna see how I got this look, stay tuned for the video and please watch the whole video, of course. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So yeah, so Beyond Beauty has sent me this spring twist to review for them. It comes in a package like this. So it has 3 in there, 3 spring twists. I really hope like it's enough for my hair. This is what the card looks like. Accessories, some colorful accessories with these clippers also. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the back. Now I'm going to show you guys what the back looked like. I think the back had like 17 or 18 pieces, so I'm gonna show you guys what the back looks like. And now I'm gonna start with the front. And now I'm going to start with the front.
You won't give me too much chances. I don't care if I am fencing brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Chances, I don't care if I am fencing brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I went ahead and put on makeup, of course, but yeah, so this is the finishing look of the hair, and I think it took me like 5 hours because I think I started around like 12 or 1. I finished around like 5 or 6, so that's how long it took me. The hair is actually pretty light, of course. It's just like the hair that I got from I forgot their company name, but the locks that I got, if you guys haven't watched that video yet, you guys can go check it out, and it will be under the video, I guess. As you guys can see, I really cannot part my hair. Well, my mom parted for me, but my hair doesn't even look like it's in the middle, but I am not even gonna take it out because I'm really lazy like that. It still looks pretty nice. And the company name, I already said it in the beginning of the video. It's from Beyond Beauty store, and it's from Amazon. And I got it in the 12-inch in the color of 1B, and it was like $38. I feel like it's gonna last me 2 months, and I'm probably gonna do, mommy, dale. A lot of people say they don't really like the spring twist because it doesn't really last long, so we're going to see how long it's going to last.
Oh, baby, I need money, hey, hey, 'cause I look like I'm not buying. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fencing brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye.
Yeah guys, so this was pretty much it of the videos. Thank you guys so much if you guys have made it this far and watched the whole video, and the ads of course. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching the video, and tell me what you guys think of the spring twist. Did I do good? Because this is my first time doing a spring twist. I've done passion twist and locks before, as you guys can see on my last videos, but yeah, so this is my first time doing a spring twist. So tell me what you guys think. Am I rocking the spring twist for my first time? Do not forget to click that like button down below, and the subscribe button down below, and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So yeah guys, bye, see you guys next time.